How to say pho. Pho is pronounced pho, not pho. And getting it right is essential for clear communication. This famous Vietnamese noodle soup's name is often mispronounced, but I'll teach you to say it accurately. Let's break down the pronunciation. The word pho is said as pho, with a short, neutral vowel like the start of fun, but with a soft, aspirated F sound, akin to a gentle exhale. The PH digraph misleads English speakers to think phone, but in Vietnamese, it's a breathy F. At a restaurant, you'd say, I'll order some pho with beef. Let's practice this now. To master it, say fun once, then swap the N for an H. Pho. Try it. Please bring me a bowl of pho with herbs. Avoid pho, which sounds unrelated, as the O in pho is a quick not a long O. Let's move to a memorization technique. Imagine you're dining out, and someone says, is it pho? You reply, no, it's pho, a Vietnamese classic. You can also associate pho with pho minus the R for clarity. With practice, you'll pronounce pho confidently, enhancing your linguistic accuracy. For more pronunciation tips, check my next video. Keep studying, keep succeeding.